Want to use all these AI models at once? Want to generate super realistic photos like these? Or change your pictures from these to these? Midjourney extension is here to help. Just search Midjourney in your browser's extension store, add it to your browser, and you're all ready to go. Let me show you how to generate images first. In the extension, just type in something, no need for professional prompts. Then choose a model from all these ample selections. Then check this box to let Midjourney generate professional prompts for you. In just seconds, your images would come out perfectly like this. Now let's try some image moderations. Switch to image mode. Upload the image that you want to change. Type in your requests. Select a model. Here I chose the latest GPT image model, as it is currently the most powerful AI image moderation model. Then hit the generate button. Okay, it's good, but it can be better. So let's keep doing something. Download the image and upload to the extension again. Type in a new request like this one. Hit generate. And tada, perfection. Want to explore more? Go to www.ima-read.com, the one and only extension that has GPT, Midjourney, Flux, Stable Diffusion, and more.